This is our new device for repairing Mac USB-C and EDP tester. Thanks for Master Leo making this device. This is very helpful device for repairing purpose. This is a 1990 motherboard, and we on this device and we connect this left USB-C connector, and we select this model 1990. After selecting model, we connect left J3300. This is a measuring test. This device testing all the connectivities, compare with OK and bad. There is a issue in 3 or 6 number pin. See here, this is a left JTAG connector, and pin number 3 and pin number 6 is low impedance. This is going to this MOSFET, and this MOSFET is passing the voltage U3200. U3200 is the SLE3215 first number. U3200 SLE3215, this one. We have to replace this SLE3215. Let's replace this IC. Thank you.